Hello, I'm Rob with the Sleep Chair Factory. I'm currently at our new showroom at 4719 New Center Drive, beside Bonefish Grill near the Target Shopping Center. This is the Golden Technology Cloud with Twilight. So this is the controller for the chair. As you can see, there's a lot of buttons on there. Don't let it worry you. It's very simple to operate. We're going to start by using the recline button. It'll slowly bring my legs up and the back. The seat box will raise, taking pressure off of my elbows and shoulders and give me a nice, comfortable reclining position. From here, I can use the micro adjustment buttons to adjust the back and legs separately to make sure I'm in the best position for myself. Because this chair is equipped with Twilight technology, which is a patented position from Golden Technology, I can now put this chair into a rejuvenation feature. This rejuvenation position is elevating my feet above my heart, promoting circulation to my lower extremities. Next, I'll show you the zero gravity position. This position was developed by NASA to evenly distribute the body weight of astronauts during takeoff, and I can experience it in my chair by holding the zero gravity button and getting myself into a position that takes pressure off of my knees, hips, and back. This particular chair comes with the upgraded feature of heat and massage, and I can control that with the second controller here. I can choose between low and high heat, and I can choose different intensities for the massage. All of our chairs come with a lifetime warranty on all wood and metal parts, including the seat box, the chair frame, and the lifting mechanism. When you're ready to get out of the chair, you simply hold the top button that says Rise. And the chair will help you get out. So the Cloud Chair is going to help with things like arthritis, lymphedema, swelling of the lower extremities, pre and post surgeries for knees, hips, and shoulders, or if you're pregnant. The power, lift, and recline features allow you to easily get in and out of the chair and then easily operate the chair with the push of a button. It's called a sleep chair because it is optimized for sleeping. Sometimes we get to a point where we can't get comfortable laying in a bed anymore. So the sleep chairs have been designed and optimized for the best night's sleep of your life. The chairs come in a variety of models, sizes, shapes, and colors, as well as pricing. They range from anywhere from $1,400 to $4,000, depending on the feature and the fabric and what exactly you need out of the chair. The reason why you would want to get one of these chairs from Sleep Chair Factory is because they are FDA Approved Medical Devices. We are a medical supply company. You would not want to buy a medical device from a furniture store. At the same time, we wouldn't want to sell you a dining room table. Not only can we avoid charging sales tax with using a prescription from your doctor, but also you can write off the entire cost of the chair on your taxes. Medicare will cover the lifting mechanism in these chairs, so give your plan a call to see if you qualify for an additional reimbursement of up to $300.